You'll see how to replace a car battery on a Chrysler 300, Dodge Charger, or Magnum, but this is the same process for mostly every car. The type of battery and its date is labeled on here. By the way, this battery lasted me 9 years, and they really do last longer than expected nowadays. And of course, it helps this battery is located and protected by being in the rear trunk. Only tools needed is a ratchet wrench, 10mm socket, short, not deep, and an extension that is at least 6 inches long. All tools and battery info will be in the description below. Please hit the like button if this helps, and subscribe to learn the best ways to fix your car yourself. Open the trunk and lift up the floor. Now, using your ratchet and a 10mm socket, disconnect the negative cable first, which is a black wire. Place it to the side. Remove the red protective cover that pops off. And now remove the positive cable, which is indicated as red. This has been on here a long time and may take a couple minutes to remove before it's loose enough to pull up. Place it to the side. Now to remove this metal bracket that keeps the battery from sliding. Use an extension with a ratchet and 10mm socket to remove the bolt. Also, see this strap? This also holds the battery from moving side to side, which I think is clever. Release the clip by pushing it and now remove it. Here's the vent plug. Just remove it, it pops off. Now let's grab that metal bracket. Place to the side. Now, sadly, this battery doesn't have a handle. This should be illegal in my opinion. These batteries are heavy, like 50 pounds, and you can really hurt yourself if you do not carefully lift this. A handle would allow a safer grip to pick up and remove. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the description if you agree. Make sure you clean this up after removing. Okay, so quick review. This is the vent plug. This is the side strap, bracket plate with screw and washer, and the positive and negative cables. If this helps so far, please hit the like button and think of subscribing. Okay, now to install a new battery. It's heavy, so practice good form, and if you want, stretch your body before doing this. Place it in and you'll feel the battery fall into its groove. This has a handle.
Grab the plate. The hole was right here on the top before, even though there's two holes right there, so it probably doesn't matter which way you do it, but I'm going to do it the way I had it before. And I'll put the 10mm bolt in.
Use your ratchet and extension to tighten it.
Okay.
Then wrap the strap around onto its hook. Now pull it so it feels nice and tight. Don't forget to reinstall the vent tube. It just snaps in. Now remove the new plastic battery terminal caps. Now very important, grab the positive red cable and tighten it with a ratchet and 10mm socket. Next, remove the other plastic cover and grab the negative black cable and put it over the battery terminal. Now tighten it. Once done installing the battery, you could put a slow charger on the battery to recharge it, or turn on the car and drive it around so the alternator can naturally charge up the battery because it may have been in storage for a while. Simple and easy to do within 15 minutes. Please hit the like button and subscribe and check out the many helpful videos on this channel. Thanks for watching and taking the time to learn how to change the battery yourself. See you later.